Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be playing some Sons of the Forest with my mate, as usual. And we'll be doing this as a series. Do you want to say hi?
Hello, hello.
And basically, our goal for today is to get a pistol and have some fun and build a base. So, yeah,
Eat thy flair.
can you not?
Seems like someone's quite upset.
Do you want to tell them
Do do
what's
do do
happened?
do. Yep, bro. We rage quitted recording like many times, more than 2 times, more than 3 times, more than a million times.
It's took a few attempts.
Imagine being that bad just to record a video.
Yo, Kelvin's in his own world, Daniel.
You can't be disrespectful to disabled people.
He's not disabled.
When did I say disabled? How I would never say disabled to Kevin, bro. Yo, we got some people over here.
Oh, so have we got spare survivors we could say hi to?
Is that like a
Friends!
Is that like a flashlight I have? I need a flashlight to see this guy's name.
Oh. Yo, Daniel! It's Ghost from Call of Duty!
What?
Daniel, it's Ghost from Call of Duty!
Oh hell no.
You can't lie, that was funny.
Nope.
Alright, so where's the pistol?
Wait. Let me see. Oh, it's all the way over there. Nice.
By the way, what's it called?
Yeah, what's it called?
Any preferences for when we make our base, or?
No.
Okay. But
Building base.
we are thinking about making a race car around our base when we're a
Exploring
bit more staffed.
caves. Bum 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 bum.
And don't forget to like and subscribe or comment, be a great help. And if you want us to play anything else, just put it in the comments. And
You
if
do
you
not have that many games, bro.
yeah, can buy
See?
them.
You're laughing. That means you're agreeing.
I can
See?
buy them.
See? You can buy them, yeah. Can you buy a 60-pound game, yeah? Yeah, sure. Sure, buddy. Sure, buddy. Whoa. What is going on over here? Wait, what? Oh, it's just rocks. It's a massive old rock.
As we adventure through the forest, we suddenly stop as we hear a noise. Like, ah.
Your storytelling is not the greatest, I must say.
So how do we not get killed by the shark when we swim?
Huh?
How do we not get killed by the shark when we swim?
Oh yeah. A couple minutes ago,
Oh,
this
nice.
guy was recording and he died so many times to a shark within the first 5 minutes, or even probably like 3 minutes into recording, and he had to rage quit the whole game, bro. He had to stop recording. He was angry.
Yeah, the shark just didn't like him. I think it's because if the shark bit into him, dust would fall
You
out.
you mean the shark didn't like you?
Yo, Daniel, take my picture. Jeez.
Hey, stop moving. Come here.
Wait,
Wait, is this even the right way? Come over here.
wait there.
Stand in front of the camera right now.
Just stealing
Hey,
a bit
even
of my.
Kevin's in front. Yeah, we don't need you. We don't need you. Get out.
Cheese.
Get up. Yes, Kevin. Yes. Say cheese.
Cheese.
Not you, Kevin, bro.
Um,
See, Kelvin. Kelvin. What up, Kelvin?
so, is it this way?
Yes. Indeed.
Have you got your knife in case we see anything?
Ugh. Who needs a knife when you have a flare?
What you gonna do? Call for help or you getting attacked by something?
No, I'm gonna burn their eyes with it. Duh. Don't need people in the comments to protest against this guy doing a non-swearing channel. Just, it doesn't fit. Doesn't really fit, does it?
Gonna have to edit this part out.
What?
Gonna have to edit that out.
Why? Any reasons? Yeah, you don't have. You don't even have the reason. You don't even have a reason. Oh, press the wrong button.
But
You're gonna give me. You're gonna give me a reason. Give me a reason.
because why would you want to swear?
Entertainment.
Yo, what the? What the?
Duh.
Is that a monkey? It's on the floor. Oh, oh.
Whoa. Hey, hey, hey.
Yo, Daniel. Oh,
You
Daniel's
can't
trying
be
to
saying
attack
that,
me.
bro. Can't be saying that.
Let it go. Bro, help me.
Oh, no way. You
Bro,
just get
Daniel's
spears like
trying
that?
to
Wow,
attack me.
that's pretty nice.
Run, Calvin. Run.
A boy. Ah, damn it. Ride route.
How much longer? Are we nearly there yet?
Soon. Just don't thingy. Rage quit to sharks, yeah.
Sure. But we do need a plan so we don't get eaten by sharks. So.
Yeah, I think you need a plan.
Can you even
Build a
make
raft,
rafts
yeah?
in this game? Can you even
Yeah.
make rafts?
Of course you can. Let's go
Oh.
cut trees, yeah.
How would you move them?
I've never used the raft. I've never used the raft in this game, so I don't know.
I think
That's
all
something
you
for
need
you to
do
learn.
is just like get a stick and then move it.
Right. No, it's becoming nighttime already. Nah, no.
Once we
It's
have
getting
the
darker now.
pistol, it's not going to be very scary.
Out of ammo. Yeah, how about that?
It's terrifying.
Imagine needing a gun when you have an axe.
Imagine guns, firing guns, hitting
Firing guns. What?
guns.
What? No. Yes. No.
I don't know, I'm just saying random stuff. Anyway, I don't think we need a big raft, I just think we need a little one.
Yo, I see Thanos.
Where?
4 got distracted.
Oh,
Time for 4 sprints.
shut up, bro. Shut up, bro. Just gonna take my meds so I don't get one shot.
You're so far behind. I didn't even notice we were low on health. Wow.
Yo, so how do we even get past the sharks when we swim?
It's easy, man. Just get past them. And don't you dare say that you're Aquaman. You are definitely not Aquaman. Let me just go get the boombox real quick.
Very good idea. I don't trust myself to not get eaten.
Go by the. Oh. Oh, damn. Oh, yeah. I'm getting attacked. I'm getting attacked. Ah, help me. Help me.
You are messing.
Dodged.
Don't you
Dodged.
dare.
L1. Dodge. Ah, okay. Hunted.
You better be messing.
Oh, yeah, I was. I actually was. Yeah.
On. Daniel! Daniel!
What happened?
I can see the shark, man.
There's no shark. What do you mean?
Yeah, there is.
No.
I'm safe. I got you. Yeah, we've got the boom box if it makes you feel any better.
Yes. Wait. Oh. That's pretty nice. Your stuff respawns on land instead of ocean.
So,
Yay.
what are we gonna do?
Gotta swim.
Swim.
Yep.
So we shouldn't just get some wood.
No.
Do you wanna risk it then?
I don't like using the word risk. There's definitely no risk. It's a easy,
Okay, let me just make
nice,
sure that
calm way to get to the
let me just make sure that there isn't
nice orange
any
boat
way.
there.
Yeah. Okay, you ready?
Yeah, so wait, wait. Let me get that.
I'm pretty sure I can't die instantly by sharks because I'm full health, which
Yeah, you got.
helps a lot. Annoying thing is, will you watch behind me and then I'll watch in front of us?
No. Just full speed swim there.
I think I've just seen a shark, or it might have been a seagull. I don't know.
Seagull under the ocean. Oh, what the?
No, like I think it was one of its wings, just by the
Oh,
water.
okay. Well, why is there so many? Whoa, wait, boys, get out here.
Honestly, man, you better move the way. Oh, we made it! Yes, we made it!
Yes, your first time making it. Let's go, finally.
And I
In
didn't
years,
die by a shark.
years.
I'm sorry, bro. I'm just a bit of muddle.
Dead.
You ready?
No. What's the shot?
Daniel, did you see that then?
Damn.
Something's moving that way.
What? Where?
There's something that went there then, and there was a little stream, like you could see it.
Yeah, I think you're just imagining things. Yep, that's all. Let's just look around real quick. Here, just move out the way real quick. I need to see. Right. No, guess what?
What?
Let's go.
Olympic dive. We're just swimming, hoping we don't die. Now we're gonna go and try and make a little base by the golf court.
A base?
Well, it's not gonna be a actual base. It's just gonna be like
Whoa.
2 little huts where we can save and then. Do you know what? We'll do this every Saturday, Sunday. How about that?
Yeah, sure.
Kelvin, I missed you, pal. We could have used you as bait, you know.
Whoa. Come on. That's just rude, man.
He just went, pow.
That's just rude. You know, this is the base. We can just, instead of building base, why not just, like, do this, innit? Look how
I
simple
just
this
want to go to the
is.
golf course. Actually, yeah. Wait, quickly build it and then we'll go to the golf course. And then... Oh, well my game's saved. Ready to go golf course?
Here, give me some. Alright. What's the... Oh, okay, yeah. Why have I not done this yet? There we go. Wait, I thought... Oh, I think I could have pulled C on it.
I wish they had all of like the tactical unit stuff that like you could try and find that in like caves. And there was like ARs, like flashlights and that with lasers.
There's AR.
Is there?
Yeah.
Like an actual AR? AR?
Yep. Don't
Why
call
are
it
you
AR.
walking?
It's an assault rifle.
Why are you walking?
Cause I am.
Give me all your money. I'm only messing.
Oh, really? 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 Really?
Shot fired! Shots fired! Nah, stop. We're wasting ammo. Do you wanna go and
Wasting ammo? What do you mean?
do you wanna go and check out that smoke over there?
Yeah. Your predictions?
I think there's a load of survivors chilling, roasting
What?
marshmallows. You know,
Ah.
us full Americans eating s'mores, bro.
Ah. Yeah, that's a pretty good prediction.
Or it's a massive gang of Kelvins.
Massive gangs Kelvins.
Massive gang of Kelvins.
Oh. Clones, yeah?
Yeah. So what's your prediction?
Maybe someone just left the oven on. I don't know.
Spider. I missed.
We can climb this right there. We go.
Do you want to go in the what's it called? Campfire area task force?
Campfire task force.
We'll
What?
we'll go kind of like stealthy.
Nah. Russian.
What
Oh.
the hell?
Hey, boys.
Hello, morning.
Whoa,
Morning.
whoa, whoa, whoa. Hey, hey. That guy's doing a handstand.
Why is it running at me? I'm sorry. Well, you've just made me lose a bullet. What is that? What is that?
Whoa. Oh, it's one of these guys.
That massive thing's just tried brushing me and it hurt Kelvin. I'm not having that. I don't think they were having marshmallows.
Yo, look at me real quick. Ah! This guy looks tiny.
Oi, oi, get back here. No witnesses. I'm sorry. We can't let her die. Well, her family wasn't.
Alright, so what do we do next?
Golf course?
Sure. We can get the stun stick while we're going there.
Yes, sir. We'll just save real quick. Just in case.
Oh yeah,
My
just to let you guys know, the reason why this guy wants to save a lot is because his PC is doo-doo and his game crashes a lot.
It's not that bad, but it does crash quite a lot.
Oh, yes it does. Yes it is. Yes it is.
I'll admit it crashes a lot, but it's not that bad with PC.
Yeah, loading in like sometimes you load into the game for like 2 minutes and then it crashes like. Hold on.
I don't trust that. What was that noise? We could try and find another one of them and try and get him one of those wheel thingies.
That would be helpful, I know. Okay, can't break these.
I'm pretty sure there's a cannibal camp over there somewhere.
Yep, nice game logic.
Do you know where any are, or?
No.
Look at Kelvin running.
Are you disrespecting him?
No.
The way you said that sounded disrespectful.
Isn't it just right up there?
What?
It's gonna clean off all the blood.
What, stun stick, knight, what are you talking about?
Huh?
What are you talking about?
The stun stick.
No, it's over there.
Is the golf course over there?
Yep.
Cool.
Oh no.
Why is it, bro?
Nothing.
What should we do for the next episode tomorrow, Daniel?
We'll see. We'll see tomorrow.
See what I feel like?
There's no need to think about what we're gonna do next episode. Oh, wait.
What was that? I don't trust that noise.
Oh, behind you.
I was actually about to shoot Kelvin though.
No, how could you?
Remember when we
I know you hate him.
Peekaboo! Ah! Oh, he's still alive! I repeat.
Bro took that much shots. Wow.
He is a big lad. Hey?
Take his head real quick.
I do need.
Oi.
What was that for?
Right. Boom.
I was actually
boom.
Come back here!
I need more sticks.
Is this the way to the golf course?
Nope.
Oh.
What's that yellow thing over there? Is that a stun stick?
Yellow?
Can't tell. Wait, what is that?
Hello!
And you stop shooting.
I've just...
Conserve your ammo right now.
You wanna leave me behind with all the cannibals? It's like 5.
You're calling them cannibals. They're humans, man. Just like us. Wait, it's finally time to... Oh, it's just a cave. That's what this yellow thing is. Wait, what? Wait, hold on. Oh, it's a GPS tracker.
By the way, did you know you can actually live underground now?
No thanks.
At least so I've heard. I'm not saying we should, but I'm saying we could.
No thanks. No thanks.
I'll let you mention it. This place
Alright,
does look
but-
very familiar.
Right.
What was that? I've just heard a weird noise.
And now there's a blue icon. What is this?
It doesn't matter to go to the golf course.
No, I'm curious to know what this is.
Daniel, come on, just go golf course.
No. Imagine
The viewers
deciding
are probably bored.
wanting to build. Imagine wanting to. Oh.
Daniel, Can I sit in the front?
You ready?
Can I sit in the front?
Yeah, go on. It's just it's a little bit bumpy. It's a little bit bumpy. There we go.
Let's go.
Alright.
Sorry, Calvin, you're not allowed in.
Kelvin. Nah, he's gonna get in. There we go. He's in.
Is he?
Let's go. Yep.
That's cool.
Also, how dare you not allow him to get in? That's just so rude of you. Wow.
I never knew he could come in.
I know you hate Kelvin.
You've
I
just
just
ran
know.
over a rabbit.
I don't care.
You
We need to
monster.
respect Kelvin's. We need to respect Kelvin's life more than the rabbit. God damn it. I dislike riding this cart in a forest.
Why don't we just go to the golf course?
Yeah. We're gonna have to sleep. We're gonna have to sleep real quick.
This video is going to be quite long, isn't it? Quickly save, sleep. Sleep. Morning. Yummy. I've just had my meal and it was scrumptious. Are you... I thought it was dead then, I was so confused. You ready?
We need to eat. We need to eat something.
I'm ready.
I am hungry. Wait, let me just quickly.
Hurry up.
Don't you dare say that to me.
Aye, man. We need to get to the golf course.
Yes.
It's my only chance to meet the golf superstar.
I said I need to eat.
Well, then
I
get
need to eat
something
something.
out of your
I need to
backpack.
eat some. Oh my goodness me. Oh.
Oi, you scared my friend. Uh-oh. Not a bullet. I am very scared now. Hey. Seriously, just go in your bag and eat something.
Imagine have to eat like that. Only real men have to look for deers and rabbits. Nah, not rabbits actually.
Bro reckon we could just go the golf pace.
Okay, go on, man. Let's not use the golf cart though. Too slow.
Yeah, I agree. But are there any hostile animals in this game?
I. What was that?
remember-
What was that animal called? What was that animal called again? It's like musk or something. I don't know.
Huh?
A musk, something like that. It's like some like ball-looking animal. They got that in like Canada or something. I don't know.
A boar?
A boar mixed up with a deer, something like that.
A hog?
It's not a boar though.
A hog.
A hog. I don't think it's called that. Nah.
But remember when in the original forest, it was raccoons that are the rarest animal, and in this game there's just raccoons absolutely everywhere.
Well, I mean, to be honest, you were, terrible at finding raccoons, so
Yeah.
I mean, that was
I'll admit.
your fault.
That made me very happy when I first found it. I wish there were pajamas in this game. Be so funny. Beating the hell out of a cannibal in your pajamas. And then Kelvin in his dressing gown.
In this what?
Dressing gown. Yay, the stun stick. Zzz. Where's the golf court?
All the way over there.
Are we nearly there yet?
No. Let me just put that as 3. Let me put this 1. Let me put this as 2. Let me put this as 3. Let me put this as 2 actually, and then 3, and then bullseye.
We might have to build the base in tomorrow's episode.
No, don't worry, got enough time. Or maybe not, I don't know.
I mean, the longer the video. Guys, would you prefer shorter videos or longer videos? Put it in the comments. Because we don't know what your preferences are.
Please do go into the comments and put it down. We really need answers.
Shut up.
Hey.
Daniel's been thinking about making a channel. When he does, show him some love. Slash.
Oh, you can rock. Oh, hey. Hey, whoa. You can play a sport out of this.
Kobe. Yo, Daniel. I'm testing our thing out. Oi!
Most powerful weapon in the game. Oh, whoopsie.
We're good. We're good.
Just needs to make sure. Hey, still breathing. Die, fool.
He's dead.
Yep. Wait. Hey, put him down. Actually, the
Ooh.
rock is not the.
Yo,
the
I
rock
haven't
is
got
not
any more
the most
ammo,
powerful one.
and I've just heard something scary. Yo, Daniel, there's a camp up ahead.
Watch out!
Yo, Daniel, do you wanna go and raid this camp?
Yeah, sure.
Get down on the ground! Put the weapon down!
That
Get back.
That was quite rude. Hey. Come back here, mister.
Let him go.
Do. Yeah, come be lost. okay. So useless, everything useless. Nice, nice. Oh, 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 we got ammo. Okay, nice, 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 nice.
Who's that?
Oh,
You ready?
seems like he's praying. He's praying. He's praying. Give him peace.
You ready?
Of course. Should be. Wait. Wish you could use like the scroll wheel to zoom in and zoom out instead of like pressing the middle mouse button.
Yeah. And if you have any suggestions for something we could do in Sons of the Forest or add to our base, put it in the comments as well. We'll try making a football pitch.
What's gonna be the ball?
The rock. But instead of using your feet, use your hands.
Nah, that's just not football. Nah.
Language.
Language. Why are you saying language?
You'll swear. You'll swear.
What?
You'll keep.
How do I even swear?
You need to be careful.
I said that's not football. Everybody in the comments.
Yo, Daniel.
Whoa, what? Wait, this is a mutant.
I know.
Wait, why is he here?
Oi!
Oh, hey! Oh! No way, he's double killed us.
It's alright, we'll spawn in the camp. We'll spawn in the
No
camp.
way.
We spawn in the camp, don't worry.
How did he kill you?
Because when he swung, I got in the way and tried shooting him to protect you. And then he hit me.
What? Yeah, you're just lying.
No, I'm not.
You're definitely lying.
Guys, do you agree Daniel never believes me?
Right, I need to get my most powerful weapon, logs. Wait, what? Wait, wait, what? What is that? What is that?
I'm effed.
Oh, mister. Wait, who are you? Whoa, he's throwing sticks.
What?
Wait, why can I not pick up the logs? Wait, what? Oh! I need help.
These mutants are absolutely, or these cannibals are absolutely terrifying. Get away. Get away.
Help me! Help me!
Yo, Daniel, you need to hurry up, they're all stunned. You need to hurry up, they're all stunned. You need to hurry up, they're all stunned. You need to get your spear and just absolutely...
Wow, he's left me to die. Wow, he's left me to die. Nice, amazing, amazing. How nice of you, how nice of you.
Great, they've all stood up. You were too late.
I need to get like, I need to use one med real quick and then I'll kill them all since they're quite bad at this. Let me show you how a professional does this. Why can I not go in my inventory? Hello? What's going on? Wait, what? Oh! I needed my backpack. Wait, there's no way that's the reason why I couldn't pick up the logs. Nah, there's no way. What? Can you believe that? You need your backpack to pick up the logs.
Nah, that's silly, that.
What? Oh my goodness, I can't believe this.
Once we get to the golf court, guys, we'll have to leave it there and we'll build the base tomorrow.
Can you help, mate? Can you help, mate?
Daniel, you do know what that mutant is, right? There's only one thing we can do. Release that mutant. She helps. Trust. Go on. See, she's fighting them. Get up. Get up. Get up. You're our only hope. Please get up. Get up. Get up. You can do this. Yo, Daniel, you need to get your gun and just absolutely fire away. You've still got ammo, I haven't.
Who needs ammo? Who the hell are you?
Daniel, just get your gun. Because we're in a death loop.
Oh, that's a big one.
Yeah,
That's a whole big one.
the red one.
Oh, whoa, what?
The red one is a mutant, Daniel. You sure you don't want your gun?
Nah, it's not a mutant. It's not a mutant. It's not a mutant.
The red
It's a
one
cannibal,
is a
cannibal.
mutant.
No, it's not. It's a mutant. I mean, it's cannibals. Cannibal.
Get away
Be
from
careful
me.
for that. Be careful for that. She's gonna belly
My
flop you.
mate.
Yeah, man.
Die! That thing that you're
Come on,
fighting
then.
now
Come on, then.
is a mutant.
Come on, then. Come on, then. Why are you running? Come on, fight me like a man. Come on,
Belly
man. You send me, huh?
bounce! He's scared.
Oh, he's running. He's running. He's running.
Run away. I think we can go.
Yes.
How much longer is the golf court?
Oh, there's another one.
I've got this. Yo, Daniel, double team, you ready? I'm gonna stun it. You get something and just kill it when it's on the ground. It's fast.
Yep. No point. No point. No point. Let's get to the go force.
Right. Ready to go?
Where are you going? Yo. This way. This way.
There's a boombox. Grab the boombox. There we go.
Wait, wonder if you can.
Oh my god, wait, that's a good idea. You can run with the hopefully you can. You can.
Imagine not thinking about this idea.
Daniel, I'm dead.
Um.
A cannibal snuck up on me, I need help. Yo, I can hear a helicopter. I can hear a
Wait, what?
helicopter. I can hear a
Oh.
helicopter.
Yeah, I can get something like that as well. Wait, what? Wait, it's coming from here.
I'm pretty sure I have heard about like there's helicopters that fly around.
Oh, over here! Over here! Help us! Help us!
Yeah,
Help us!
I tried that a while ago. I had
No, you did not.
flares and everything.
No, you didn't. No, you didn't. Stop lying. Mister, over here. Mister, over here. Have you tried shooting the helicopter? Nah, didn't think so.
Nope.
Oh, no.
Yo, Daniel, how much longer until we get to the golf course?
Yep, it's gone. It's gotta be somewhere around here. Oh, hey. Cannibals, hey!
Do you need any help?
Nah, I got my boombox, bro.
this video is going to be about 1 hour long.
Wait, where is it?
Hey, by the way, Daniel, I'm ready to get a screenshot of you standing with your boombox for my thumbnail.
Yeah, sure. Oh, wait. It's over here. Wait, I might have found it now. Yeah, it should be over here now.
This does look very familiar from when we stayed in the golf. Can't lie, if you're building a base, golf course is the best area because you get loads of cannibals, so it's dead fun, and it's very spacious. Do you agree? Daniel, help me. Help me. There's a
And-
cannibal. Daniel, there's a cannibal and I
And
haven't got
there
any
is a
weapons.
racetrack.
Daniel,
You don't have any weapons? What?
I do, but
Ew.
they're not very good. Daniel, help. There's two.
Is it?
There's
Ew,
two.
look at this golf.
Daniel, there's
Golf
two.
track. Let's go. Let's go. It's right over here. Just make your way over here.
Please help me.
Come on, you can make it. You can make
You
it.
stop following us.
Come on, come on. It's right there.
Thanks, bro.
You're welcome. I scared them off.
Thanks, man. Right. You ready?
What's this idea of your hut?
We'll have to do
Oh,
it
but-
tomorrow now.
Alright.
But we'll just quickly
Save.
yeah. And you need to hold
Right here.
out.
Go back here. Go back here. Dun, 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 dun.
We're making a mansion. And then don't do that side, just do this one. And now look, we've got a proper tent. My game's saved.
Oh, hold on. Don't think I have any more oh wait, I do. Wait, what?
Oh, I need to do it.
Cannibals, watch out.
What?
Oh, I feel sensation of sneeze. I
You ready to
heard
hold
the
the-
cannibal. I heard the cannibal around here.
Are you ready to hold the boombox out while I take a screenshot?
Yeah, wait, just give me a second. There we go.
That
Look
looks
at that.
sick. Yo, Daniel. Wait, you ready?
Oh yeah.
Where do you think
The-
it
the
look
best
good
heist
for the
ever.
screenshot?
Nah, over here. Actually, go over here.
You
Let's get a
ready?
screenshot. Let's get a screenshot of the tent and the plane.
It's like that.
So get over there. Yeah.
Look at me.
What? You don't want to pose? You don't want to pose? A little bit on that. Huh?
I need you looking at me.
Okay, come on. Just take many screenshots. I'm a celebrity.
Look up. Look at me. There we go. And I think we'll leave it there for today. So, thanks for watching, guys. Don't say bye, Daniel.
Goodbye, guys. Wait,
Oh my
there's,
God.
there's some depressing song. Hold on.
That was perfect music.
Let me just find the right music. Yeah, this will do. This will do. Come on.
Bye, guys. Do you want to say bye, Daniel?
Goodbye.
And thanks
Come on,
for watching. Join us for part 2 tomorrow of our series. We'll be doing this weekly. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment on what we should do next.
Subscribe, guys. Like and subscribe.
Yeah, guys. Bye-bye. And have a good one.